Hey, this is your favorite tech with another tutorial. Be sure to check us out on our website or text us if you need tech support. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, we're going to show you how to fix your high ping latency. And a lot of times people who play video games want to reduce their ping or latency. And if it's a high, that's typically not good for playing games. So I'm going to show you how to actually resolve this issue. We're going to go ahead and go to our search box and type in reg edit, and we're going to open up the registry editor. All right, we're going to log into reg editor as administrator. Okay, we're going to log into the reg editor as administrator. We're going to drop down the local machine folder, drop down the software folder, drop down the Microsoft folder, looking for Windows NT. Drop down the Windows NT folder. Drop down the current version folder. Expand the multimedia folder. Left click on the system profile folder once. On the right side, select network throttling index, middle entry. Click modify, right click, then click modify. Value data should be F8s in a row. That's 8 of them in a row, capitalized. This is very important that you do this correctly and do exactly 8. Press OK. You can back out of all these folders. Go to H key local machine. Go down to system. Under system, go to current controller set, expand it. Looking for services under current controller set, expand that. Looking for TCPIP. So just gonna scroll down and find that real quick. TCPIP. There we go. TCPIP. Expand that. Expand the parameters folder as well. Expand the interface folder now. There might be multiple interface. Select the one that has your IP. Just go to Google and type in what's my IP. You'll find it. So for me, it's the first one. We'll blur out some information for privacy. So anyone that has like IP addresses in is we're going to be working with. So in the blank space, right click new, click D-word 32-bit value. Now name that value TCP, lowercase ACK. TCP needs to be capital, and then ACK needs to be lowercase. Frequency, now we're going to type capital F, then frequency, hit enter. You're going to create a new one again. Select the word value again. Type in TCP. NO, delay, exactly how it appears on the screen. TCP, N, capital O, capital D, delay. Hit enter. Now we have those two. Now we have 2 registry keys that we just created. We're going to double click on each of them and set the value to 1. Press enter, and we're going to do the same thing for the other one. 1, okay. So I'm going to back out of some of these folders real quick. Go back up near the top. Let's go ahead and go back under H key local machine. We don't got to go back all the way, but we are going back to the H key local machine. Go under software. Go under Microsoft. Expand that view. We're looking for MSMQ. There we go, MSMQ. click that folder, and then on the right side, right click, create new, D-word 32-bit value, called TCP. Write it exactly how you see me writing it. Capital N-O, delay, and enter. Once you do that, double click on it, set it to 1, press OK. Under MSQ, expand it and left click on parameters. And we want to right click again and D-word 32 value. Type in TCP, N-O, uppercase N, lowercase o. Then type delay again. Same thing as last time, hit enter. Go ahead and double click on it and change the value to 1. Press OK. Close out of this registry, reset your computer. You should be all set. Hopefully it solved your problem. Hey, if you found this video valuable, go ahead and return the favor by liking and subscribing to this channel. If you subscribe, type the phrase "I subscribed" in the comment section below. Keep in mind, when you subscribe, it motivates us to continue to make these free videos. Lastly, if you enjoy learning about technology, entrepreneurship, or making money online, go ahead and check out my other videos on my other channel. Thanks for your support.